If you struggle with frizz and flyaway hair, then you will want to take a look at this new product. Leaf & Flower's new CBD Tame Fix Flyaway Stick just arrived in our warehouse. This is an alcohol-free instant styler that controls flyaways, frizz, new hair growth, and wiry grays for a long-lasting polished style without any unwanted crunchiness, greasiness, or buildup. This would make a great holiday stocking stuffer at a retail price of only $19.99. Watch this next clip to see what it does.
What you looking for? We got what you looking for. What you looking for? We got what you looking for. What you looking for? We got what you looking for.
Why are people obsessing over our new Flyaway Stick?
You can slide it in your purse.
I like that it doesn't feel greasy or crunchy.
And it's going to help with flyaways, frizz, new hair growth, and wiry grays.
It's not leaving behind any residue and it doesn't feel stiff, which is really important to me.
My natural hair falls kind of right here, and you can see it has a little bit of fuzziness that I kind of want to tame. See how that just tamed it?
You can throw this in your purse too.
I don't feel like you can use too much of it either.
I love it.
You guys killed it on the scent. It's flexible.
I give this a 10 out of 10.
Love it.
Get it now before it sells out. Thanks for watching.